Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your profile verified on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward with logging in using your social accounts or your phone number. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the People section, from which you can swipe right or left on various different profiles. Now, if you wish to verify your profile, then tap on the profile button at the bottom left corner and then tap on your user ID from this option. Then tap on Edit Profile. And now, if you scroll down underneath your profile pictures, you will see the Verify My Profile option. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you will be asked to take a picture by copying the pose that is displayed within your screen. Tap on Take My Photo whenever you are ready. And now you will be asked to allow access to your camera. Proceed with allowing the access. And now you can simply take a photo with the displayed pose underneath the camera icon. Once you take a photo and submit it, you will be asked to wait until the verification process has completed. Once the team has verified your profile picture to be legit, you will get a notification letting you know that your profile has become verified, and you will also receive the verified badge within your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your profile on the Bumble dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.